The cyclone is gone. How we doing? I wasn't even that bad here. I'll be honest. It was just like another rainy day. But my in-laws did get hit pretty hard though. Hello everyone on Twitch, YouTube and Kick. Hope we're doing well today. It is still the school holidays, so we'll probably just do 2 hours again today, whānau. But hope everyone's well. Hope everyone is well. I was supposed to jump on and do a sponsored stream last night, but I was too tired. There we go. Sorry, just setting up our voice. Big blob of bird shit on the ground, we'll have to see it. Morning chat, good morning, good morning, good morning. Nice early one, hey. Nice early stream today. They don't like the stone carving machines, true. I just can't wait to have a shed to start, my bro. I just gotta go inside and get a pencil. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to stream yesterday, but that cyclone, bro, just in case, eh? Just in case, man. How you doing, Coca-Cola? So our focus will be here again, okay? Just looking over it. Our brows are different lengths, so we gotta work on that. So we'll fix that up today. And then eventually we'll round them. Yo, what's going on, NJT? How you doing, brother? Moruera, how you doing over on YouTube? Good morning, legends. How are we doing? I always have one like kryptonite side. Always have one kryptonite side, man. Where it may look a little bit off compared to the other side. See my application in. Oh, okay. Greetings from Switzerland. Greetings, brother. How's it over there in your part of the world, my bro? It's one of my favorite tennis players is from. Mr. Federer. Yeah, so I think all in all, I think the weather is all good now. I'm not sure. Like for us, the hurricane didn't really do much. Some people did get power cuts and whatnot. But unfortunately for the rest of the country, along the sea, they got hit pretty hard too. So very unfortunate. Very unfortunate that that has happened. Now I guess cleanup is underway pretty much. We need to clean this up. That's what's throwing me off. Alrighty, it's gonna put yous up a bit here. Just rounding this head a little bit more on the side here. Greetings from Canada. Hello, brother. How's everything over in Canada, my bro? Yeah, man, the school holidays been keeping me busy, chat. They have been keeping me busy. I'll be honest, I'd rather be inside playing some WoW. Or, I want to try and get into Rust after watching a lot of Peanut. Their Rust server looks funny, man. Yo, thank you very much to Antonio Rivera for the follow over on Kick as well. And thank you to Flu Fei. Flu Fei for the raid. Hello, Flu Fei. Welcome through to the stream. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And sometimes I play World of Warcraft. I hear a little cannonball. Sorry, I thought my little daughter was coming out. She's like the spark plug of all three of them. The endless battery, that little girl. Thank you very much for the raid. Hello, Legend and his chat. How are you all doing? We're good. We just so Cyclone just finished up around these ways. didn't really affect us that much, but it did affect like other towns, like really badly. But I'm pretty much chilling now. So we're back outside safely. Yeah, the cyclone didn't really hit us that bad, like at all. Like yeah, some parts of the town got power cuts and whatnot, but for us, not so much. Not so much. The only thing that the cyclone caused grief for me was that apparently I had a courier package on Friday, but they cancelled because of the cyclone. I was like, I didn't order anything. What? Here's all good. Just everything got extremely more expensive. Rent, groceries, same here, Monreira. Everything here, the cost of living has gone up exceptionally. Like, I know. For a block of butter, it's around $19 for a block of butter. Milk's gone up quite a bit too. So that's why I'm gonna start myself a wood pellet garden. Not me and my wife are. So obviously we're renting, so we can't necessarily dig into the ground to make a garden. So yeah, we're just gonna make some wood pellet ones, brother. See how we go. See how we go, my bro, with that. So, not sure what we're gonna grow, but I definitely want to have kumara, sweet potato. Definitely want to have kumara in the mix. What was Fluface streaming, by the way? Hope they had a wonderful stream. I need a mallet. Oh jeez. There we go. I need to be careful here. I was playing Subnautica. Oh, sure, I've been wanting to play that, eh? I'm just not sure yet. I'm just not sure. Oh, you got thalassophobia? Yeah, I think I understand. It's like something like could be watching you, eh? And that's crazy, bro. Yeah, block of butter is like $19 here. The fuel is almost at $4 a litre. It's just unfortunate that it's the school holidays and we can't take our kids anywhere. I would like to, but you know, it's just the costs. The cost is too crazy at the moment, eh? It's expensive to even live. Crazy. What a time we live in. Creatures lurking inside of it. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I was supposed to stream last night, but man, when I took the baby to sleep last night, I put myself to sleep as well. So, yeah, I did not last long. How much does fruit in Alaska cost? I would assume quite a bit, eh? So all I'm doing is just trying to get some levels on this mouth here. So because there's quite a fair bit of timber sitting here, we're just taking it down on the preferred angles and then we'll start doing the mouth. All good, Fluffy, do you think? Thank you very much for the raid. And once again to everyone that's coming, kia ora once again, my name is Brooks. I am a traditional Maori woodcarver. I've been doing Whakairo since I was 12. And we've had the likes of the former Prime Minister on the channel. Been noticed by a lot of people in the online space as well. And but yeah, this is genuinely what I love to do. This is genuinely what I love to do on my channel. I do tend to play some games here and there. But majority of the time, yeah, I love sharing my culture. I'm going to be changing up the schedule as well, chat. So I'm thinking... So this is what I'm thinking, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be Whakairo. I'm thinking of having Thursday off to shoot a YouTube video. Just a whole day of like recording, and then I might have then another carving day on Friday. I really want to start making these YouTube videos I thought of. I want to get onto them ASAP before I just start, tunneling on live streaming all the time, because I gotta invest time into my YouTube channel as well. My kids have challenged me to get 1 million followers, and I don't like being challenged by my kids. Because then my ego's like, okay, alright, let's go. But one thing that they don't know that I know is that they want to make me a plaque as well at 500. If we hit 500 subscribers as well. Woodwork myself, bought an apartment and they have a workshop here. Yo, that's huge. Okay. Bro, that's nice if there's a workshop there. Also, you might see me a commission pop up that I'll be doing on some streams as well, chat. One of my bros asked me to do a piece for his wife who's graduating soon. So I've got to do that. This way. Where's my pencil? Oh no, I lost it again. If you are new to the channel as well, I lost about 17 pencils last year. So a bit of a character trait there, guys. I tend to lose my crap. No, I found it. We are safe for another hour. getting that angle. That's what we want, okay? That's called ADHD. What, losing a pencil? I don't know about that one. Hold up, just got a message. You lose everything? Oh, I don't lose everything, bro. Nah, yeah, I don't lose everything. Hell no. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, and I am Maori. I am Maori, good sir. Okay. Now we're getting that solid angle. We just have to go over the mouth again. A weta. Oh, true. Yeah, I've only seen one in the wild once, and this was when I was 5. Me and my grandfather went camping and we stopped by the river for a bit and he fell asleep while I went fishing, and then there was one sitting right on his face. That was funny when he woke up. But yeah, other than that, you know, I've seen them in sanctuaries and whatnot. Crazy seagulls in the background. There we go. Just marking out the mouth again since we got that angle. So Poochie, you ever watch Colin McRae stuff? Nah. Or no, I never really watched him. Name's familiar? I'll be honest, I hardly watch much things these days. Unless it's WoW and GTA RP. I've really been enjoying WoW Hardcore again. Well, since the community's doing something with it again, it's been fun. WoW RP has been real funny, man. Real funny. Yeah, I did see that Olberg fight. Good on him. Silenced all the haters. That's my favorite thing about it. Everyone was doubting him. Right, let me clean this up a little bit. What do I watch on YouTube? Yeah, WoW stuff. RP, sometimes a little bit of drifting stuff as well. And I watch Man with Pot. I love his YouTube channel, bro. Man with Pot. He makes some nice stuff. What's up, Drum? How you doing, brother? How you doing? Hope you're doing well, man. Hope you're doing well. But I've been trying to figure out how to stream RP on Kick with the VPN. But I don't know how to do it, eh? So that's why I haven't really done any RP streams on Kick yet. Because I really need to use that VPN in order to connect to the server. Yeah, I don't really watch too much RP streamers. Like especially people that I RP with. Just in case you don't want to learn something. Or sometimes I'll just pop in the Kef stream just to say hello and then dip out. Okay. So there's still a bit of timber sitting in here that I want to get rid of. Getting dinner for all the dependent creatures. Oh yeah, I feel that. Just getting clips from the stream the other night while the fam is out and about. Yo, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, I need to do that more too. Since clipping isn't much of a thing in the channel, I've just been trying to get some myself. Still a bit there. Here's our line. Are you Maori native to... Yes, I am indigenous as fuck. Oh dear. One moment. Yeah, I don't know, I just don't really have, like I've got all my emote slots unlocked and everything. I just don't have, any idea of what emotes I would want. It'll either be, like, it'll either be the bear or the Fiku. I got two mascots in my channel. To those that don't know, the bear was made by my kids. But I never really... Oh, you're good, Scoobble. How you been? Ah, good to see you, Drum. Straight up. One moment, guys. Just mapping out the mouth. Alright. What does the pedal under the bench do? Tighten the clamp. Tightens the clamp, brother, so it don't go anywhere. Hello, J-Rad. How you doing, brother? Okay. One moment, guys. Also, Fano, if you have a bit of a cheeky Twitch Prime and you'd like to use it on the stream, it would be much appreciated. Currently in the danger zone at the moment, so I'm gonna try and build my way back up. Love school holidays as a dad, but as a streamer and not being able to be on, it can be a bit how's it going. And different YouTube vlogs, etc. It showed how the Pringles were nearly 500% of a price. What? 500%, bro? That's crazy. That's overkill, bro. Straight up. Okay. So I'm just getting the angle on this. So start from the center, making my way down. Get it clean. Good seeing you up here again the other day. Hey, cheer, brother. Yeah, it was good to see you too, my bro. I've been in here and there, my bro, just trying to get into some shenanigans, really. Haven't raced yet. Cause I end up going for a race, bro, and you know CG shit can turn straight away, and then gotta help them with something. Or mainly Junior. But yeah, bro, it was good to see you. Hope you got a solid commission from that sale too. Appreciate you. Cheerio, brother Joe. Appreciate you for being here too, my bro. Yeah, so carving streams during the school holidays, whānau, are only 2 hours. I do apologise because I can't leave my kids hanging for too long. Hopefully, anyways, yeah, bro. How's what are you racing in these days? Okay, now that's cleaner. Much better. Okay. Hey, our first sub of the day. Healthy. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. There's those famous words from Optimus Prime too. I am Optimus Prime. I am coming. Got a few. Damn. In the Buffalo Hellfire. True. Yeah, I enjoy the challenge of the muscle cars, eh? Because they're not as thunder. Maybe the cyclone ain't over. I enjoy the challenge of racing muscle cars because they're not as tight knit as everyone and their dog that owns like the RH7. Where everyone owns that. Oh shit, I better be careful too. Because our centre line is right there. Okay, welcome brother, best part of the time is with your family, love your content. Thank you my brother. You trust me, they can be pretty annoying and sometimes I don't want to be around them. But oh, the joys of being a father, my bro. And also last night guys, as you all know, it is my Twitch anniversary this month. But that was stolen from me. Yes. It was stolen from me. My special day in terms of live streaming was stolen from me by the baby. So yeah, my baby turns 1 next week, was it the week after, and my streaming anniversary is on the same day. And as of last night, she took her first steps as well. So I'm a bit of a love the W's kind of dad as well. Hey, no, thank you very much for the prime, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. I appreciate you. So yeah, baby took her first steps last night, and all before her first birthday. So yeah, that was pretty buzzy. But yes, I do have a stream planned for us. I'm thinking we do our streaming anniversary outside instead of sitting inside playing games and whatnot. Yeah, we'll do it out here. Oh, I hate it when those take long. So I'm thinking of I'm gonna look in town this week for a wheel spin thing. Yeah, gonna look for a wheel spin thing because we're gonna bring back the Wheel of Arch My Life as well. If you don't know what that is, it was the spin the wheel that I did a subathon on about 3 years ago. That's the last time I did a subathon. Yo, Fazita! With the 15 months, thank you very much. Thank you, good kind sir. So yes, pretty much what Wheel of Arch My Life is, we're gonna put dry wheat bix on. We're gonna put yucky stuff to eat on it, basically. But I do have my sub goals ready. I'm not sure how it's going to go. But just know that there is a carving giveaway in those sub goals too. So yes, I am adding a Whakairo giveaway. And also, I may have ordered some HoloLive trading cards. Now, if you don't know the meme that was created last year, John HoloLive, at the Streamer Awards in the organisation section, they were announcing all the orgs. There were the up-and-coming nominees, and it showed my face for HoloLive, which is a big VTubing company. So yeah, for the memes, I got some VTuber cards and some other stuff too. So yeah, we're going to be doing that. Love from Gambia. Hey, much love, brother. How are you, Social Club? Thank you for Zeta, and we have a hype train as well. If you would like to contribute towards the hype train, feel free to do so. I will play us a hype train song, eh? Are you ready? It's pretty loud. This is going to be the song we're going to listen to for 3 minutes and 19 seconds.
I remember now, Kaiwachi. He's got class. He's got class. He knows how
Here we
to
go.
get a crowd moving.
Hey.
Hey, John.
Hype train, baby!
You made a big mistake, pal. A big mistake.
Choo choo! Let's get it going!
He's not my friend. The big thief with your gun, motherfucker. You should see him right now. Right now.
Thank you very much, Rewind, for the biddies, getting us to level 2.
Ready yourself, modulators! Hunting and season are upon us with the full force of the South! They will hold nothing back, but neither will we! Everything! Tomorrow we shall break bread!
You should dance for the gifters.
We must break this spirit!
Who the fuck is Kaiwachi?
Okay, I'm 34, that's too loud. That's too loud.
Get your ass back here! Right!
Okay, I can't do it. I can't do it, it's too loud.
Got that crowd moving, that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. That's forward right there, that's moving.
I'd be that guy outside telling everyone to shut the fuck up. Thank you very much for the love, guys. I'm 34, man. Give me a break. Thanks, spreading the love. Thank you very much, Social Club, for gifting a sub as well. We got too much milk and butter here in Switzerland, but meat go crazy expensive and rent. How much is like a Scotch fillet in Switzerland? Well, how much is a Scotch fillet for everyone that's tuning in right now in your part of the world? For us, it's like 20. It's like 20 something dollars for one. 37. Holy shit. It's $8.99 for a gallon of milk. Where I'm what? Everyone gonna be stealing cows soon, and that's American too. Grabs phone. Thank you, Rewind. I'm just gonna check how much that is in NZD. $8. Wait, let's go 9, eh? $9 USD to NZD. That's $15. Pull my finger. Pulls finger. Gives it to Big Homie Jay's nose to sniff for a test. Amen. Hey brothers, this is how we do it, eh? You know, if you say you don't do it, you're a liar. They came with a prize? Yeah, sniff test. Hold on, I'm just looking at the cheeks here, and one's a little bit higher than the other. Meat is 20. Bro, congratulations on your 1 year. God bless you. Thank you very much, man. Yeah, bro. Like, honestly, where has the time gone is what I'll say. But, yeah, she ended up, finding her feet, like, two or a week before her birthday. So, genuinely grateful that she's done that. That's how you get pink eye. That's why you hold it under the nose, not by your eye. Oh no, my cheeks are on. Not my bum cheeks, but you know, these. This man deserves all the smiles we all do. I hate saying this way, but everyone in my community does. El Fantasma. Hello, brother. Thank you for the follow over on Kick. How are you doing, good sir? How are you doing? And welcome, brother. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I have been doing wood carving since the age of 12. Alright. Bang. It's just going to be hard to clean in here because our grain and our chisels that we have can't get in there to go with the grain. By the way, bro, how do you spell chur? Is it like, yeah, that's how you spell chur. It's just slang for hello. Pretty much got it off the bat, my bro. Man, it's hard trying to find good music to play whilst, you know, streaming on YouTube as well, because you don't want to cuck your VODs, eh? That's probably the hardest part for me. Let's fix up these brows now, get them nice and straight. Straight and through. Okay, which way are we going? Talk to me, Wood. Which way are we going? We found the optimum angle. I found out a country has so many cool walks and like different groups. In 2 weeks and 4 Aussies. Oh, true. Nah, it's just C-H-U-R. Pretty much how you spell true. So we're just trying to clean these brows up, guys. There you go. Finally, I found you since 6 years. Hello, Voody. Oh no, Woody. I see you. I see what you did there. How you doing? How you doing, Woody? And I hope you're doing good as well, El Phantasma. Thank you very much for the follow over on Kick as well, brother. I have no idea. They're Swiss ones. Yeah, Swiss made. I hope that helps. Yo, what up, Muzz? Thank you for the biddies. You can comment with other biddies, my bro. Just want to make sure you know that. That's all. Hold on, chip. Thought so. Some of this needs to come in. Alright. Bro, do you think you'll ever play Peak? I was gonna download Mortuary Assistant, eh? Anyone jam that? No point me playing Phantasma or Phasmophobia, because I'll just be yelling at the ghost saying I'm gonna eat your ass out, so that won't be very scary. Just start trolling the game, really. Sorry guys, there's just a little bit on this face that doesn't need to be there, and it's throwing my my brows out of line, so they're not the same like width and everything. I know there's some horror games that react to your voice as well. Actually, no, that'll be dumb too, because I'll be trolling on these as well. Now that's looking like the same. Hey, Delio! Hello, sir. Thank you very much for the raid. Hope you had a good stream. Hope the carving has been going well too. If you haven't already, whānau, please go through and give Delio a follow as well. Another wood carver here on Twitch. And a very talented and immaculate carver that definitely deserves some aroha, whānau. Hello, hello. How you been? How you been, sir? There we go. Now the brows are looking the same. Yo, what up, Battle Tanker? How you, bro? Okay, how's that looking? Yeah, now our brows are looking, will be the same length now. Now that we've fixed up that section up there. So that was the main thing that I wanted to fix, because this side was a bit longer. But now that we've fixed it, we don't need to worry about it anymore. Yeah, we don't necessarily need to worry about that section anymore, because there was an extension on that section. But we took care of it. We did. Supposed to be up by 11. Yeah, I just try and do like 2 hours, just because I don't want to leave the kids in there with my wife for too long. So I think that's how I'm going to do it, just for every school holidays. If we're going to do carving streams, I'll keep it to 2 hours. Then jump on this evening. I've got a sponsored stream to do either tonight or tomorrow. Hold on, chat. Just marking it up. Carving the keeper of the forest. Already taken me 50 hours. Is that from Princess Momonoke? Weren't you hit hard? I wasn't, like our town wasn't. So like sections of the city were flooded and no power, but not as bad as more the coastal towns. Like my in-laws all live on in coastal towns, and yeah, they got hit pretty hard, so pretty much open up the houses to them if they need to. So us and my sister-in-law is my neighbour. Yeah, my sister-in-law pretty much stays next door, so if it's needed, they'll come over. Yeah, so we're kind of just playing it by ear at the moment. I think today everything's just going to be assessing the damage and whatnot. But yeah, we're all good, thank goodness. Although, you know, I would have liked to have seen what it was capable of. But yeah, still grateful for the kids' sake. And yeah, Woody, I do play games. I play WoW, GTA RP, Overwatch as well. Been my FPS vibes at the moment. But I've gone back to WoW Hardcore because some of my mates are playing. And it's been really fun. WoW RP has been really fun. Yo! Come outside. Come outside. What's up? So I think the spark plug is coming outside. Let me put the camera up, chat, for the safety of my children. Okay. I think she's coming outside. Hello? Hey, it's cold. Put a jersey on. Or you're not going to come outside with a dress on.
But I'm cold.
Doesn't matter. You want to come and chill with Dad, Jersey? You're welcome. Haere te tiki poraka. She's the one that takes joy in not listening. So yeah, still early steps there, chat. So we took all the wood off down here. Just clean that up. Clean that up there, and then took some on the side here, so the brows could be the same length. All we really need to do now is clean it up, and then run it on the other side pretty much. So we won't really cut the mouth out. Oh, we could, but we won't cut the mouth out or do the eyes until we shape the other side, okay? So we still got to do that. I don't know if this kid's coming out again. I don't think she is. Oh, that's better. Stay warm. Up to. You just come to say hello to everybody. You've been picking your nose.
Is it bleeding?
No, it looks like it has been though. Did you find any gold?
Okay. But I was telling you that Chef on there so I can get a toy.
No, Chef is not on there. And didn't you get your toy that he donated to you?
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I didn't get one. I had to get one from you. Mom just letting me have a toy.
So you went to get a toy in the name of Chef, who's one of the followers here, by the way, chat, subscriber. And now you're trying to beg to get another one because it was my channel.
No.
Of course.
No.
Yo, crazy! Thank you for the 72 months. So thank you for the 72 months. Say it there. Oh, you're mad. Thank you very much for the 72 months, my bro. How you been, brother? Everything is well in Canada, my bro.
Can we get a toy?
No,
Ah.
you got heaps of toys. You got enough.
Oh, good. I don't have any toys.
Oh, shush.
I don't even toys.
Yes, you do. You're just bored. Should we go for a run?
Hell no.
Hey, Vicky. Thank you very much for the raid. Go, thank you, Vicky. Go, thank you, Vicky. Oh, your nails are so dirty. You don't think you're a boy. Thank you, Vicky. Hope you had a good stream. Hello, hello. Just taking a break at the moment. One of my kids has come out to chat and...
You can't tell him you got a cuddle, then they'll not subscribe you.
Well, what are you, a monkey? Elephant? You're a kid. You're a kid. What is this logic?
Stop.
So I'm not allowed to tell anyone that I have kids because they won't subscribe.
Yeah, okay. Your name is Brooks.
Make that make sense. I'm very loud. I'm sorry. No, you're all good. So no one's gonna subscribe to me because I got kids.
Yeah.
Oh, wretched. Oh well. Should I just stop streaming and go work at McDonald's?
Everybody will see you. What you always say when the neighbors see you, and now the McDonald's people's gonna see you.
The fact that you're considering it is an absolute... Bro, you're supposed to say, no, keep streaming, Dad.
No, keep screaming that.
You're like, no, go work at McDonald's. Yo, thank you very much to SiegeMan01 for the Optimus Prime. Thank you,
When
brother.
are you done?
When am I done?
Yeah,
In about 14 minutes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, here's number 1.
Josie!
Yeah, get a jersey if you're coming out here.
I don't have a Josie.
You don't have a jersey. You don't have ears either.
Yeah! Shush you.
Why are you coming to annoy everyone too? Say thank you to Vicky for the raid.
Thank you, Vicky. Okay, she forgot his toy.
So hey, come in. Come in.
What?
So she said that people are not gonna subscribe to me because I got kids. What do you think?
Cause I think they're gonna subscribe.
Do you think they're gonna
I think
subscribe?
cause your name is Brooks.
Oh, dead to you. Yeah, ask Vicky what she streamed today.
Can I get a toy?
No.
Ricky.
Don't ask. No.
Shit. But Ricky is way more better.
Vicky just raided us and you're like, can you give me a toy? She don't know you, she
wait,
me.
wait.
What?
She's told me that I
She
can...
didn't tell you anything,
No,
she just got it.
No, she told me that I can give her
Bro, why are you
whatever
living-
toy that I want.
The thing with this spark plug here, she lives off stuff that was said last year. Hey, she'll hold it up in her peanut till she gets it. And you too.
I always say I'm gonna get sticky rolls.
Oh, he's got to beat me in a race to get anything anyway.
There you go, I win.
Ah, there might be TOS out, don't hit me.
Yay, I win, yay, give me a sticky roll.
Hera, thank you very much for the raid as well. We're like the Polynesian Brady Bunch.
Yeah, it was like,
Yesterday it was raining.
Don't say that out. Raining AF, she reckons, but the whole world, Thank you very much for the raid, Hera. I hope you had a wonderful stream. Ciao. I was carving, then two sprogs come out of nowhere.
That's somewhere nowhere.
They,
But by the way, my other sister named Riley and she's tracking a baby.
But my real name's actually just Chico. Wait, you call me Tickle Monkey?
Tickle Monkey, okay.
Tickle Monkey.
Nice to catch a stream, man. How you been, dude? How you been?
Can I give you a toy?
No one's getting you a toy. You don't need a toy. You need a shower. Wash your ass.
Excuse me?
Oh, you used that, sorry. No, I take that back.
I had a shower last night.
Yeah, he's
Same.
dead. He's dead. So, my streams and makers and crafting,
But I
by
just
the way,
don't
not
remember.
parenting.
What is this?
That's a mallet, don't touch. Get on the side.
You know my dad's tools are.
If it's a melon, then if it's a
They
melon.
know that. They know I treat my tools like
But
they're
if
my
it's a
girlfriend.
melon,
Mallet, you melon.
My
if it's
dad's-
a melon,
Mallet.
then it's a melon.
No, it's
My-
not.
My dad's tools are his girlfriend's.
Yay! What are you gonna do? What are you gonna boyfriend? Girlfriend?
Can you kindly go back inside, please?
No.
I would go if you gave me sushi.
No,
I give myself sushi
I
first.
will only go away if you give me some toys.
What a mallet.
And stick around and like boo boo.
Ah, la boobies are ugly.
Labubu's are expensive. I don't know how I say that.
Can you?
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
They cost $100.
Hey, get over here.
They actually do. I'm not
Sorry,
joking.
there's no parenting section in Twitch, guys. So he's just come out here to annoy me.
No.
As usual.
Baby.
Trying to extort you already. Bro, they've been doing that for years. Get out of there.
No,
Now.
say it.
Get out of there now.
But I want to go with the car.
So we got the eldest and the second.
Car.
The second's the one with the endless energy. You're not getting a toy.
She's the one that said let's get a toy.
One thing you should do is get a hair tie, brush your hair and tie it up.
In one said, do your streaming.
I am. I was streaming before you come out here. Can't make progress on the calming if there's two mouths out here with me.
That means we will know you.
You already are. Te ho hao ki o korua waha.
And look at you, already holding us.
No, you're annoying me. It's
You're
not-
annoying me.
Stop being a know-it-all.
You're a know-it-all too.
No, don't
Yes, you are.
stop being a tree in rubbish.
Stop being a tree. Okay.
And a rubbish. She said I have to stop being a rubbish.
Why? Can you just go inside, please?
No.
I've got. You have kind of chewed up 5 minutes of my time.
We got an old house.
Obviously, we're not gonna try and get a house to rent for like 600 a week. Hell no.
Riley, I found this in the car.
Yeah, go inside.
Even I look
Is the baby-
something's in there.
Is the baby over?
Yep, something's in here.
We don't need.
Oi!
We don't need 2001.
Crazy gifted me 10 subs. Me. They lighten up and think
What is
it's
it? It's a love bomb.
Thank you very much for the 10 bomb, my bro. Say thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, up the bus, man. Okay, thank you, up the bus.
Stop hitting the camera.
What?
Okay, thank you for the 10 bomb, crazy.
Okay, thank you for the toy.
Well, they probably ruined those 2 raids that we got. Thank you very much, my bro. That's why our streams are only 2 hours through the school holidays. Versus the energy is a lot. Yeah. Oh, bro. That's just my kids, bro. Little shitso. So, the eldest, she's a bit of a sensitive soul. The eldest daughter. And the second girl that you heard, she's the spark plug. So she enjoys coming to the gym with me. Not doing anything crazy, just enjoys running as well. Still got some Easter chocolate? We do actually, but I've been eating them when they go to bed. They've got about, so I don't eat Cadbury chocolate. Why? Because Cadbury chocolate is fake AF. If you want to eat something real, get Whittaker's. But yeah, those are my 2 eldest kids, the babies inside. Yeah, she I'll be honest, bro, she did gymnastics and she thought it was boring and she loved jiu-jitsu. That's the so my second girl is the one that does a lot of jiu-jitsu. But it's out for the school holidays, so I've just been doing training circuits with her, just to burn some energy. They're pretty much one of the reasons why I'm training as well, just for them too. You know, I'm getting older, so gotta try and keep up with them too. And you know you know what they were talking about last night? This. They were speaking about marriage last night. All of 7 and 5, by the way. All of 7 and 5. Oh, they're returning. Please don't come outside. Yo, what up, Rizmons? How you doing? Rizmons, how you doing, brother? Yeah, these little shiitake mushrooms were talking about marriage last night. Yeah, they went, Dad, what do you think about marriage? I said, don't worry about it at your age. Just know whoever tries to think about that would choose has to ask me, and I will make it hard to see if they are worthy. Yeah, oh bro, I've been keeping them busy. It's easy as bro through the holidays. They've been really wanting to go and see their grandparents, but because of the cyclone, for the last 2 days we haven't really been able to. And one other thing too, they're getting into golf like me. So we go to the driving range now and again. Been there, the grandchildren asking, yeah bro. It's been cool as. Oh! Super Jaffa cake. I haven't had Jaffas in ages. Oh, thank you, brother. I appreciate the love, my bro. Thank you very, very much for the aloha, brother. Okay, guys, we've still got a fair bit of time to get some work done. But yeah, sometimes those little shiitakes will make an appearance. Yeah, those little shiitake mushrooms will make an appearance here and there. What is the figure you're doing? We are doing a heitiki, my bro. Bro, Jaffas go hard. Do they still make them? So we're doing a heitiki, brother. So this is it here. That's what we've been working on. So they are not normally this size, okay? Heitiki are normally a pendant size. But we're just doing a much larger one for one of our subscribers who hit 1 million channel points and redeemed it. So this is going to be his carving. The difference with this heitiki, it is much bigger. So what it represents is protection. It can represent a certain individual from your ancestry. This isn't going to be anyone in particular. This is more of a decorative piece. And the only difference with this one is it's going to be double-sided. You see? So we got the arm, folds onto the stomach there. Then we got this arm that folds behind the leg. Then the face on this side. And then if we turn it over, that leg that folds behind that, or the arm that folds behind that leg comes over here, and this arm folds behind that leg. So this is what we're currently making at the moment. The timber as well is pine, so it's nothing crazy. Should get them for your family. I probably will, my bro. The kids have been really good over the holidays, even the cyclone too. And we really haven't eaten anything since Easter, like yummy wise. Well, I'm dieting, so I hardly do. And plus, I'm dieting to save money too, which is a double W. But yeah, this is pretty much all we've been doing. So the shape of the heitiki wheel was inspired from from a newborn baby, brother, like the baby scrunch, and like the head being tilted to the side as well. Because babies don't normally hold their head up straight up like how we do now. So this is genuinely what we've been up to. So we're working on this area here, How many people are in your household? So me, my wife, and our 3 kids. We're in a 2-bedroom. So yes, it is getting a bit crowded as they get older. But we can't really so me and my wife are saving to hopefully purchase a house. Oh, I hear someone crying. And that sounds like the spark plug. Let me go and check if she's okay. Watching the stream, chat, so we got to roll. Yo, Infinite Delete, thank you very much for the raid, my bro. If one of the killers didn't hit themselves, yeah, bro, they fight every day, so the usual. Yeah, they're currently watching on the TV in the living room. Oi, Jeffa! Oh, thank you, my bro. I'm glad they won't understand what they mean, because they'll probably run out and we can get a toy! Shit, I'm on the TV. Thank you, brother. Thank you very, very much, my bro. You say the hurricane, or cyclone, sorry. Damn. I might have just got myself. I might just say it's for sushi. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much to all those that are tuning in on all the platforms today. Twitch, YouTube and Kick. I really need to get a tripod to bring TikTok back into the mix as well. Thank you for helping us hit 476 subscribers on YouTube as well. I just saw we hit that this morning. I don't really use live counters, I just see it when I see it, kind of thing. There we go. Yeah, I'm wondering what design we're going to do as well. Hey, how you dig me? Cheer, brother. Hey, Jeffa, thank you for the 6 months in advance. Holy guacamole, my bro. Bro, you've been... We'll get this. What is that, a chicken? What is that? Hold on, I need to go closer to the screen. What is that? Oh, is that a heart? Oh, it looks like a chicken from here. Thank you very much, brother. Oh, chicken sounds yum. Korean fried chicken. That's a Jaffa cake, sorry, bro. I think my big back ass is hungry too. Sorry about that. I'm chicken broken. She's watching, by the way. She's a mod in the channel too, but she don't comment that much. She's probably the one person in the channel that has to subscribe to me. I remember jumping on her phone and she had a 45-month resub. I went, hey, resubscribe, but do it live. Yeah, she's the only one that has to. Have the kids, oh bro, they're all good, they're all good. My wife's watching them, so she's got them. W wife. Oh gosh. So the only clean way for me to do this is to go that way. Yo, Jeffa, thank you very much again, bro. How did someone as calm as you produce such high energy children? Wife. Oh, I don't know. Oh, hang on. Let me put the camera up first. Wait there. You know the rules. Dad doesn't want you on the camera.
Yeah.
You wanna know why? It's all about me. What up? How can I help you?
Mrs. Brock said hi.
Mrs. Brock said hi. Will you tell Mrs. Brock to get on her phone and comment on chat?
Okay. This one is on here.
They can't see it all golden there. Got a goose lay there. Thank you very much, Fable, for the Optimus Prime.
No, guess what is on here?
Some of the coins you stole out of the tin. I'm so right. Do I know?
How did you do that?
I know everything. Here, I'll show you something, eh?
No.
Yeah.
Wait, look.
Those coins aren't going to get you much. Oh, she's
Look.
all shit. Do you want to say hello again?
Hello? Wait, hold on. I got something special.
What?
Sex now, man!
Someone clip that. I'll use that.
Papa, look.
My kids are clip farming.
Papa, look.
My kids are clip farming
Wait,
you.
look, tick 'em up. Do that to me.
They've got a golden egg that they want out of a claw machine and then they're going buck 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 and dropping it. This is as reality TV as it'll get on this channel, guys. What lays eggs, chickens or roosters? Meat. Fair enough, I like that answer.
Fair enough.
Is eggs meat?
Egg meat.
Are you sure?
I don't know. A chicken.
Yeah. Is it?
I don't know.
Eggs meat.
Egg meat.
Oh, yes.
That means
Why?
that means I can put it in here.
Because
I don't know.
they come out of their bum.
I was say that they come out of their bum. Hey, I gotta go to eat.
Are you talking to the plane that's flying to the airport?
I gotta put my gold in it.
Wait, why do I always get itchy bugs?
Cause you are a
Mosquitoes.
Dubai. Cause you are a Dubai.
Shush, yeah.
You shush.
Hey, go cut your nails out. You got dirt underneath your nails. Hey.
I don't care.
Yes, you do.
Wait, did you color your fingers with marker?
Yeah.
Why?
The marker.
I don't know if he's heard, but she just hit my stomach and it sounded like 8 feet wrong.
This looks like mom's stomach.
Yeah.
Someone asked what came first, the chicken or the egg?
Chicken.
The chicken.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
You don't even care.
I think it's.
Hello, gorgeous.
Hello, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
My wife's just come out and you are right. Hello, gorgeous.
No!
Hey? Yeah. So what are you up to inside?
Watching your channel.
Well, you should go do your fella's beds.
I already did my bed!
What about you, monkey?
No.
Yeah, go make your bed. Go and help your sister make her bed.
No, let her help her.
No, you need help because you do a shit job.
And when you guys see, when I saw the big ass shit in the toilet, oh, shit.
Probably you because you don't
Wait.
flush.
Wait, yes, I remember that you said, whoo, don't go in there.
Yeah, good about 30, 45 minutes.
I'm gonna put it.
Don't touch my phone.
But why? We always.
Because I'm bloody sensor. Like, woo, shit in the toilet.
Shit in the toilet.
Oh, yeah, you jokes
You
gone.
guys, my dad tried to open his phone with the picture, the exact same
Don't
picture
pull
with
my
his
finger in
face,
my fucking camera.
the exact same face, but it didn't work. He had
Just
to
don't
show
think
his
so,
real
it's too
face.
short to get the full extension. You look stressed. Nah, this is normal. Thank you, Jaffa, for gifting us
egg.
the golden egg. Thank you very much, brother. The golden egg. Hi, baby. Hi. Name one rock song. Name one rock song.
I don't know any rock songs.
See, scam. Don't ever pull that again.
But you always. But I'm allowed to.
But you don't even know a rock song, so why are you pulling that? Stop scratching your itchy bites.
Oh, that's why I already have a plus on my head.
That's why we tell you to have a shower and or have a bath in porridge.
No, but it's scratching is itchy. It's
No, no.
itchy.
You're gonna put a cone on your hands like the dog.
No! It's itchy. Good.
Oh well, get a scab then, go on. Get inside.
No!
So my work's not gonna get itself done? You wanna know why?
Why?
Ladies can't come. Not allowed.
Okay.
Get inside! Yeah, afterwards, go the Cowboys. The golden egg, Chad. Don't ever forget that. The golden egg. Kids are double ticker. I'm just glad you couldn't see my kid's full hand because she was full on flipping off the camera. But it was just this part of her finger you could see. Who taught her that? Me and many other people in our family. A little bit of lore. The Spark Plug's favorite anime character is Kakashi. Actually a fan of Kakashi, guys. There we go. Alright, at least we got some progress done before the sidebars. And just on a side note as well, chat, I can be that high energy as well. It's just when I game, it's when they're in bed, so I can't. Otherwise, I'll wake them up. Alright. Who do you think they got their loud voices from? Thank you, Gamer Raider, for these follow. Burn, 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 burn. How are we doing, Fano? Hope everyone has been enjoying the stream. I will be double dipping today and doing another stream tonight. I either have to do this Minecraft sponsored stream tonight or tomorrow. What are we thinking? Tonight or tomorrow? The reason why I accepted it is just like extra money. It was a sponsored stream through the Stream Elements. It's like 150 bucks, you know, for an hour. So I may as well get it, eh? Beggars can't be choosers. Or can't be, you know, can't turn away from opportunities that might get us slightly up in the savings. Get us slightly up. Oh shit, cheers for the sub, Jeffa, and sauce for the slow response. I was outside having a cigarette. No, having a cigarette. Having a bit of a spliff. Oh no, is that a cigarette? A spliff? Where my UK lingo is at, linguistics at. Oh, joint. Ah, see, I don't do that stuff, so I don't know. Yeah, I'll definitely go and have a look in town, my bro. Thank you very much for the love, man. Kids gotta earn them though. You're probably gonna have a jack, brother. Probably gonna drive around town a little bit too to see if there's like any damages or anything like that from the cyclone. And have a look-see. I highly doubt it though, because the parts that were affected were kind of outside of town. I was a bit worried for the neighbours though. Every time we have heavy rain, their houses always get flooded. And there's this one old lady that lives across from us who always like sweeps the drains in fear that her house might get flooded again. So yeah, genuinely feel for that old lady. Okay. So destroy the mouth. Oh, would definitely be the first. Would definitely be the first boxes. Yeah, definitely. Gotta save the PlayStation. Those ones. Gotta save the PC. Nah. Yeah. Like without hesitation. Alright. Yeah, we'll just draw this mouth up, see what we can put in here. So, tooth in the corner, tooth up the top here. Tongue. The mouth on this side. Can you stop talking? You're making me want to give you my... No, don't do that. Don't do that. Holy. Let's not do that, brother. There'll be none of that. There'll be none of that. Only do that in-game, okay? In-game, not IRL, in-game only. Bro, do you have any desire for the new... Yes, I have been hearing that they are making a Legend of Zelda movie. I mean, I'm a fan. I love the franchise. So, is it gonna be, like, real? Like, live adaptation, or is it going to be like Super Mario and all of that? I'm very hopeful that they make a Smash Bros movie after, like, Fox McCloud and a few others were featured in the movie for Super Mario 2. Hot take from me. Saying it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think Super Mario 1 was better. I think Super Mario 1 was definitely better than Super Mario 2. The only thing I enjoyed about Super Mario 2 was seeing Fox McCloud. I don't know. The main reason why I like number 1 more because Donkey Kong was in there too. Yeah, it just felt a little bit like empty without DK. South Island, my friend is helping set up locals to come. Wait, actual? Bro, that's cool. Who's some of my favorite characters? Obviously, Link being one of them. And I like the Owl and Zelda. Who else? And the Gorons. I like the Gorons, bro. They're cool. I have to go sleep, but this love you very much, and I can't think of anyone more deserving of the love. Good night and bless you. Get some Jaffa cakes for me. Will do, my brother. Thank you very much for the love today, and you have a good sleep too, eh? Cheers, my bro. What's up, Darwin7 over on Kick? How you doing, brother? I remember seeing a big uproar that Zelda movie because the whole actor plays out. Oh, I don't know. I hardly keep up with any of the drama. Yeah, the Gorons are probably my favorite people in Zelda. Aside from Link himself. Did the Donna even go through? Wait, did it not come up on the screen? How you been, Darwin? What you been up to, brother? Where you from? Random stab in the dark. Are you from Australia? Being called Darwin. I'm asking, I was distracted. No, nothing's come through that I've seen. There we go. So with these brows too, we got to slightly round them as well. Yeah, bro, I hardly even know what any of the drama is online other than... No, I don't even know. Yeah, I'm real out of the loop because I just watch Twitch all day. I don't really watch the news or anything. If I'm not watching the news, then, you know, I'm chilling with the kids and they're watching... Oh, there it is, my bro. Thank you very much, my bro. Yeah, sometimes it can be delayed, my bro. It can be delayed. Appreciate that aloha, my bro. Thank you. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Yeah, who else? Yeah, no, I only like the Gorons, the Owl, and Link. Who else? I'm trying to think of... Oh, obviously Ganondorf as well. He's a badass. I'm just trying to think of others. Hopefully you weren't... No. Oh, Sheik. Yeah, Sheik's another one too. Hopefully you weren't affected as much. Keep safe. Ken, yeah, we weren't affected too much. Like, it was just like another normal rainy day. Although I was being that guy and wanted to see more. But some areas around Rotorua did get affected quite bad. And where my in-laws live too, so we're gonna maybe go and help them if they need to. Tinkles. Who's Tinkles? Oh, the fairy? Sorry, bro. I'm like, oh, Deku tree. But I'd be a pretty good tree. Who else? I'm trying to think of other characters that I like. The one guy I probably didn't like was the mask shopkeeper. He looked like a dick, hey? Oh, Navi, yeah, that's right. He looked like a dick, man. That's his name. I even liked, you know, the forest dudes that play the flutes. Those guys are cool. Who else? But yeah, I think one of the most iconic ones for myself was definitely the owl. I thought he was cool, man. And then I think more into the modern, like Tears of the Kingdom, that one Goron warrior, he looks badass, bro. Because one thing I wanted to do, like one marathon I wanted to do, gaming one, was to play all the Zeldas in chronological order. Because I got Skyward Sword inside, so that's the first one you start on. But I wanted to follow the Majora's Mask route. That's the route that I wanted to go. Jared Toma, still something I still want to do, but it's just a matter of, you know, finding the time to do it, which is a bit hard for myself. Being a parent as well, and it's like something that I want to plan. Like go fully into it, like background setup, dress up and everything. For fun, yeah. It's still something that I really want to do. So, yeah, I'll try and figure it out. I did see on Twitter there are mentions of Ocarina of Time remaster. Has anyone else seen something like that? Like, that was definitely one of the main N64 games I played back in the day. Was that and Star Fox 64. So I'm just fixing up my chisels because they're all over the wares. These are my ladies. True, so they are going through with the Zelda movie. I just hope they do it justice, man, because you know when Hollywood takes over game genres, they tend to like muck it up quite a lot. And I feel like one of the fan services you need to do is make sure it's accurate to, you know, what we all played when we were young. No matter what version. Or no matter what Zelda game that you played. Yeah, one of my mates, he found his N64 in GameCube, because I think he's moving. It's a shame he's in Australia. Yeah. So that would have been nice. I think you can sign up and then the Southern Islands. Where's that? Southern Islands. I wouldn't have a clue where that is. Oh yeah. Southern Islands. Old man throughout my Secret Masters at Drive. Oh shit, bro. Those are some old school consoles too. Yeah, those are probably the most nostalgic memories I had with any Nintendo title was on N64 with Zelda and Star Fox. I played Super Mario on the old Nintendo. That's where I kind of got my fond memories of Super Mario back in the day from that. You social, just DM me, bro. DM me and let us know what the vibes are, and then we'll go to from there. But I also have a some voice acting stuff coming up too, which is pretty fun. Looking forward to doing that. Also, I hear there's a Skyrim RP server. I might give that a go too. I'll definitely be keen to give that a whirl. Oh look, some of my mates are playing Skyrim RP already. Alright guys, that is going to be us for today. It was just going to be a 2-hour stint today. 2-hour stint for me, and then going to go and be a dad now. It is school holidays. Hope you all don't mind that. But for now, yeah, I'm going to finish up. Here. I'm going to send you over to the Bro Weed Elf. They're part of the guild that I'm jamming WoW RP with. And they are doing a dungeon with no healer. Not the most ideal thing to do in WoW Hardcore, I won't lie. But for now, yeah, gotta love and leave these. Have a good day. Peace out. I will see you all this evening, okay? So we'll either do this Minecraft stream or I might play WoW Hardcore as well. For now, GG's. Thank you very much for all the love today. And look after yourself. See you later, YouTube as well. And Kick too.